Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Monday, April the 11th. Let's find out what is on our calendar for the day. Wow, we've been talking about symmetry and how many lines of symmetry, if any, we could make if we drew lines. Let's find out what was on yesterday's card. Ooh, the letter H. Very good one. You may say, well, Mrs. Graham, can we draw a line of symmetry? There are actually, believe it or not, two lines of symmetry we could draw. We could start here at the top and go all the way down. And if we did that, we would see the same exact thing on both sides. And if we drew a line just in the middle and went straight across and tried to fold the shape in half, we would see the exact same thing on the top and the bottom. So yes, there are two lines of symmetry here. As we continue on, we're going to go into our days in school. When we click it, we will find that we have our grid that we've been working on, and we're going to add another day to the grid to make 135 days we've been together. That's amazing how much time has gone by. We'll change all of this information to 135. $135 is a number, 135 is a number word, 100 plus 35 is a math fact, and then we have 50 plus 50 plus 35. Can you think of a math fact that would equal 135? Again, I want to challenge you each day. I want you to write down a math fact that will also equal 135, or the number 4 each day. As we continue on, what we are going to do now, dears, is something new. I want to show you a couple of things. First, we're going to start collecting popsicle sticks. So I am going to spin the spinner, and we're going to start collecting popsicle sticks for the week. So far, that was a number 3, so I'm going to collect 3 here. So far, we have 3 for this particular week. As we continue on with our number corner, we are going to see that we have a special activity we're going to work on today. This activity is going to be found in your math book that has blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. Blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. Can you please grab that math workbook? You may say, Mrs. Graham, we did this before. We did the page before it, but this is a brand new page with different missing numbers. Different missing numbers this time. Your job is to figure out which numbers are missing if you begin to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What comes next? You fill in that missing number and make it all the way down to 120. Do not forget, on page 55 in this same book, you have all of the numbers listed. So if you forget one number, you can always go back there and look as a helper, but try to do it without looking. See how much you know all by yourself. I know you can do it. I believe in you. Off you go.